Wow, this place looks abandoned.
Yeah, another abandoned video. I love finding buildings like this. Would you explore such a place?
No car, no dog chained up here. Wow, the whole house is bulging. Gotta walk around it. Hole in the roof. Let's take a look inside. Not much to see.
I have to ask the usual YouTube stuff that everyone asks. Please subscribe, like, share, and do the notify thingy so you never miss any of my uploads. If you would consider to become a sponsor, $1 will go a long way. Links are in the description. Have a beautiful day, and never forget to smile.
So it used to be number 11. It's a doorbell. So nothing to see in here.
Alrighty then, we made it to the end. I hope you liked the abandoned house. It was a pleasure to show you around. Keep smiling, and do come back another day.